Hi there guys, Johnny Rose here, and today I'm really excited to talk to you about something called Profit Pad. Profit Pad, which is the newest software and training from the seven-figure earner, seven-figure multi-millionaire actually, James Fawcett. Now many of you will know James Fawcett if you watch my channel, because he famously released a product 2 years ago called the Breakout Code, which shows how he was able to make $150,000 in profit every single month over and over again. And that blew apart the internet marketing industry. And he's now released a software which basically automates everything he showed people over the past 2 years in the Breakout Code. Now, before we jump into Profit Pad, I'm going to take you through what it's about. We're actually going to jump in and have a look at the software, what it does. We're going to also talk to you about the training and the methodology. So everything will be shown here. You're going to get a full Profit Pad walkthrough and demo. Let me just tell you what the bonuses are if you decide to pick up Profit Pad through my link below. You'll need to, I'm just going to make this a little larger. You will need to pick up Profit Pad through my link below, and you're going to get a discount. So you'll actually be saving money. You'll be paying the cheapest possible price for Profit Pad when you pick it up through my link below. So that's number one. Keep that in your head. Massive discount when you pick up Profit Pad through my link below. That's part one. Number two, if you pick up Profit Pad through my link below, exclusively, I'm going to give you access to my next product. You will get my next product. This is a sales page. That's my finger. These are some earnings. I've got a product coming out this October called Halloween's Memes Money. Halloween Memes Money. You can kind of see it here. I just had everything designed. This is my next upcoming product. In fact, I'm releasing it on Wednesday. Halloween Memes Money. And inside of Halloween Memes Money, I'm basically going to give you everything you need to make a ton of money very, 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 very quickly this October. If you are someone who needs money by the end of October, Halloween Memes Money, my upcoming product, is going to help you make a ton of money. And it's a super simple method. It only takes 2 minutes to do, 2 minutes, a 2-minute effort. And this is what it's been yielding for us between $114 to $326 a day, myself and my team, since last October. So this is something we've been trying for a year now, and we are still getting payments. Even though it's a Halloween product and a Halloween method, it still pays over and over again. And I'm going to give this to you. You're going to get training. You're going to get access to memes, which are kind of funny internet images. I'm sure you know what memes are. This has a PLR license, which means that you can resell it, or you can edit it, or you can sell the memes or design them. Everything you need here to make big money in October and in all the months afterwards is here, and I'm going to give it all to you. You're going to get Halloween Memes Money as my free gift to you for free, as well as a discount when you pick up Profit Pad through my link below. So I hope that excites you. You're getting Johnny Rose's next upcoming product, a scarily simple October income booster, which only takes 2 minutes to set up. You're going to get that for free when you pick up Profit Pad through my link below, and you're also going to get a discount. So you're going to click it and come through to this page and pick up Profit Pad. Now let's talk more about what Profit Pad is. What is it? What can you expect when you get it? Well, like I say now, this is a software and a training, and I want to actually show you the training first, or the strategy, then we can talk more about the software. Here is what you're going to be basically learning or executing when you pick up Profit Pad. This is a video from inside of Profit Pad, and you can see here, start on the left hand side, that you're basically going to send traffic, and traffic just means people. Now James is going to train you how to do this. You can either get organic traffic, which is free traffic, or you can set up paid ads. I always prefer organic because it's free, it won't cost you anything. And you're going to send that traffic to an opt-in page. That's a page where you collect people's email addresses. Once those people come to that opt-in page, they will join your email list. Hopefully you can see the word email list there. And you're going to get a series of emails which are going to be sent. And all of this is done within Profit Pad. The Profit Pad software is all there. Now, they'll receive emails, and those emails are going to be filled with affiliate offers. So people are going to buy from your emails. You're also going to send people to a Facebook group. You're going to build your own Facebook group, an authoritative Facebook group of fans, people who will buy from you. And you're going to sell them high ticket offers. So you're going to be making thousands of dollars just from an automated email sequence and from your own Facebook group. Both of these are built automatically within Profit Pad, the software. Also, so hopefully you understand this. If you've been in internet marketing a little bit, you can probably understand what's happening here, but I just want to explain. People come into your opt-in page and give you an email address. You then automatically send them emails with links to affiliate offers. You also send them to your own Facebook group, so you build up your own personal Facebook community, and you make money by sending them high ticket affiliate offers where you can make around $1,000 or, sorry, $500 to $1,000. Also, when people opt in, whether they come from organic like Facebook and Instagram or paid traffic like Bing or Google ads, they come to your bridge page, which goes to a sales page, so that you can actually make a sale immediately. The moment someone joins your opt-in page and gives you an email, you can send them to an offer where you can make $100 to $1,000, $10 to $1,000. What I'm trying to say here is basically there are several routes to make money in here, and all of it is handled by the Profit Pad software. So like I say, you're going to get a full training. There's full training here. There's a whole training thing we just go through here and you learn everything. But ultimately, everything comes down to this software here. And as you can see here, you have a page builder here, which builds opt-in forms. These are forms where you collect people's email addresses. It connects to, you have traffic sources here, so you can get free traffic. It does automated Facebook posting and Instagram posting. So you can basically get lots of visitors, organic visitors from Instagram and Facebook. That's where that organic traffic is from, so that's what I advise. So you have a page builder in here. It gets you traffic from Instagram, traffic from Facebook. There is an affiliate marketplace where you can actually get affiliate offers. You can find Warrior Plus and JVZoo affiliate offers that you can promote, so you can put them on the sales page. All of this is done within Profit Pad. Automatic emails, the bridge page, the sales page with affiliate products in it, the traffic generation, that's done within Profit Pad. Everything is done within it. And so basically you have a whole software which basically does your entire affiliate marketing business for you. That's what you're getting inside of Profit Pad, as well as full training. And like I say, if you decide to pick it up through my link below, you'll get a massive discount on Profit Pad, which you should go and pick up now through my link below. And you're going to get my next product, which is Halloween Memes Money, my way of showing you how you can start making over $300 a day with just 2 minutes work in October, this coming October. This product is going live in a few days time. I want to give it to you for free, and all that you need to do is buy Profit Pad through my link below, and this will be immediately available for you in the back end, along with this incredible new software and training from James Fawcett. Go and pick up Profit Pad now.